the highest point, the lightest period of the sun, and the darkest period. So right now during the summer months, if you are above the equator in the northern hemisphere, that means the sun is going to be the brightest, which is the summer solstice or Cancer solstice. And if you're below the equator, then the sun is going to be the dimmest, right? And then in the winter solstice is the opposite. Above the equator, the sun's going to be the darkest, and the southern hemisphere, it's going to be the lightest. So we talk about polarity, which we're just coming out of Gemini season. Everything's about two, light and dark, good and bad, masculine, feminine. Everything has to do with polarity or duality. That what isn't. We can see that in everything in nature, right? So this is reflecting this time period. We're approaching the summer solstice period. So that our ancestors would always do ritual or would always honor the solstice and the equinox periods. Those were really important times when, if you think about the base root of the word solstice, it's our soul. Our soul is illuminating, it's being illuminated what it's come here to shine its light on. Think of like a seed, right? So you discover during the lightest part of the year what your seed is. Are you an acorn? Are you a sunflower? Right? And that depends on your sun sign. So for those of you out there that are Leo suns, you're the seed of creativity. If you are a Virgo sun, you are the seed of analyzation and using the mind and the earth, right? It's called I analyze. If you're a sun in Taurus, it's come to I have. It's possession. It's learning how to hold values and money and things, right? So this solstice period here, our ancestors would tell us, there's a 3-day window, because what's going to happen is it's going to get to the brightest part. If you're in the northern hemisphere above the equator, the sun is going to be at its brightest shine and its most illuminated space. So I think of it like a dimming switch, right? When you go to your dining room table and you turn on the dimming switch, the lowest setting, the dimming, is going to be when there's the least amount of sun or least amount of light, which is going to be in the summer solstice period, going to be below the equator, which is in the south. And then the northern hemisphere in the solstice month is going to, when you turn that dimmer switch all the way on. So just think about what that means metaphorically. You walk in, you turn on your dimmer switch, you can see everything in the kitchen or wherever your dining room, wherever the dimmer switch is, right? You can see full illumination. Our ancestors would honor this time of the year because it's showing us what our soul has come to be illuminated, what soul seed was planted by source when we were born.